Okay, so now we're approaching Toronto at 12,000 feet. And we're basically waiting for ATC to vector us to the airport and to the final approach.
November 933 Quebec Delta. Descend and maintain 8,000.
Okay, so we just got cleared to 8,000. So we change our altitude, set the VSI vertical speed to 1,000, and hit vertical speed. Read back transmission so we know that, so they know that we heard them, and pull your throttles back so you don't go into massive overdrive. As you can see, the throttles, I usually set them at about 25%. Now this
November 933 Quebec Delta. Descend and maintain 6,000. Down to 6,000.
So at this point in time, we're no longer following the GPS, we're actually following ATC. So we'll be following the heading bug right up until landing. So we switched GPS. The nav source from GPS down to nav 1.
November 933 Quebec Delta. Fly heading 240. Descend and maintain 2,000. November 933 Quebec Delta. Fly heading 150. Vectors for the visual. Runway 5. Descend and maintain 2,000.
Okay, so now they've just changed us directions again, told us to drop down to 2,000, but they've actually given us a runway that we're going to be landing on, which is runway 5.
Down to 2,000. November 933 Quebec Delta. Fly heading 240.
Heading 240. November 933 Quebec Delta.
The ILS frequency for runway 5 at CYYZ is 109.7. So you go down to where your comm radios are, and instead of leaving it on comm, you select nav. Change your frequency to 109.7, make that active, and you're ready for an ILS approach.
November 933 Quebec Delta. Fly heading 330.
Heading 330. November 933 Quebec Delta.
Alright, now that we're down to 2,000, we're going to put power to full, back up to full. Leave the throttles where they are at approximately 30%. You'll hear the engine spool up, the airspeed should maintain the same. And we're still doing our turn to 330. Getting ready to hit final. Change our OBS 1, our course, to 57 degrees, which is the final landing direction of ILS 5. And now we'll arm our approach mode, which basically arms the glide slope and the localizer for our final landing.
November 933 Quebec Delta. Fly heading 030.
And ATC has just given us a vector to intercept the localizer for final landing.
030. November 933 Quebec Delta.
November, Niner, 3, Quebec, Delta. Fly heading 060. Report the field in sight.
Now this time you wouldn't actually follow the 060 because the localizer is going to do that for you. So you just basically say, yeah, we're turning. Localizer locks on, turns the aircraft. Anyway, all you have to do now is tell ATC whether you see the airport. And in that little mast down there is the airport. Set my heading bug just in case we have to do a go around. Report the field in sight.
November 933 Quebec Delta.
November, Niner, 3,
And
Quebec, Delta.
he passes me off to tower.
118.35.
Contact tower on 118.35. November 933 Quebec Delta. Tower.
Check
November
in.
933 Quebec Delta.
And now we wait for clearance to land.
November, Niner, 3, Quebec, Delta. Runway 5, clear to land.
Runway 5, clear to land. November 933 Quebec Delta.
And that's our clearance to finally land. So basically we just let the turn on our landing lights and let the localizer glide slope bring us in. And that's it.